How to fix lag in Delta Force Mobile for low-end devices. So a first option is using the Logo Fast mobile website. So this can reduce your ping, boost FPS, do smart routing, prevents packet loss, has a one-tap optimization, they have a data traffic management, and a global server coverage. So how to do it is just download the app, go open your Delta Force Global, and then choose the server you need, and then click boost and show you real-time ping and packet loss rate. Another option to do this is by adjusting your in-game graphics settings. So in order to reduce lag, make sure you lower your graphics settings to improve performance and reduce lag. This can be the graphics quality, the frame rate, the shadows and effects, anti-aliasing, and then the resolution. And then lastly, for the last option is improving your internet connection. So you need to have a stable and fast internet connection for reducing lag. So just make sure you have a good internet or a good Wi-Fi and then close all the background apps and then restart your computer.